Hi, my name is Zdenka Derla and welcome to my channel. Who am I? I am someone who feels very comfortable on the both sides of the camera. I'm a former model with 16 years of experience. Some of the agencies which represented me in the past are Veloci, Elmer Olsen and Next. Some of my highlights of modeling careers are fashion show for Nicole Miller, swimsuit edition photographed in Thailand, and front magazine cover of Playboy. Last 12 years I spent on the other side of the camera as a professional photographer, focusing my work on glamour, fashion, stock and weddings. My images has been published internationally and I landed my first magazine cover the very first month I worked as a photographer. So how can I help you? Like I said, I feel very comfortable on the both sides of the camera. I can tell you exactly what steps you need to take to have your modeling dream come true. Or if you are on the other side of the camera, I'll help you stand out between daily growing competitive photography business. I'll share my success and failure stories from my past and I put you on the right path. So let's have fun and make your dream become a reality.